Hi! In front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Samsung voice recorder. Now get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now choose Continue, tap on Allow, and select Yes I agree or No thank you. Then tap on Yes I agree or Back. And finally, when you're ready, click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this one, then type in wherever you wish to, or not at all, and choose OK. Now, if you wish to end it and save it, click on the track mark. As you can see, my recording is over here. Now you need to choose Save at the top right corner, and click on those three dots in order to rename it. Tap on Rename here, type in wherever you want to, and choose OK. In order to play your recording, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it. Select Delete icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!